The alarm does not ring. Adam opens his eyes suddenly. He looks at the clock. His face goes white. He jumps out of bed and shouts,
Jake! Jake, wake up! We are late!
Jake's door opens slowly. He looks at Adam with sleepy eyes. His hair is messy. His hoodie is backwards. He says slowly, What time is it? Adam says, It is 8:30, Jake. 8:30! Jake's eyes go wide. He shouts,
What?
Both of them run to the kitchen. Adam opens the fridge fast. The milk is finished. He turns to Jake. Jake puts his hands up and says, I was going to buy it yesterday. I forgot. Sorry. Adam closes the fridge slowly. He takes a deep breath and says, It is okay, Jake. No milk, no problem. Let's just get ready fast. Jake nods and says, Yes, yes, fast, go, go. Adam runs to the bathroom. He turns on the shower. Freezing cold water hits him. He jumps back and shouts,
Jake, the water is freezing cold!
Jake shouts from his room,
Oh, yes, the heater broke yesterday.
Jake knocks on the bathroom door and says,
Are you okay in there?
Adam says through his teeth, I am fine, Jake. I am perfectly fine. Jake says,
You sound very cold.
Adam says, I am very cold, Jake. Thank you. Jake laughs quietly outside the door. Both of them get dressed quickly. Adam grabs his bag. He looks for his keys. They are not there. He shouts,
Jake, have you seen my keys?
Jake comes running. He checks the table. He checks the sofa. He checks his own pockets. He pulls out Adam's keys and says,
Oh, here they are. They were in my hoodie pocket.
Adam stares at him. Jake smiles nervously and says,
I have no idea how they got there.
Adam takes the keys slowly. He pats Jake on the shoulder and says, Let's just go. They both run to the door. Adam opens it fast. They both stop. It is raining outside. Hard, cold rain. Jake and Adam look at each other. Jake says,
Umbrella?
Adam says, Umbrella. They both look for the umbrella.
Jake checks behind the door. Adam checks near the window. Jake scratches his head and says, I think I left it on the bus last week. Adam looks at Jake. Jake gives his biggest, nervous smile. Adam takes a very long, slow breath. He steps outside into the rain. Jake follows immediately. He stands right next to Adam. Both of them walking in the rain. Both of them completely wet. Adam looks at Jake. Jake looks at Adam. And then Jake says, At least we are late together. Adam stares at him. And then he laughs. A real laugh. A loud laugh. Jake laughs too. Both of them laughing in the rain. Wet, cold, late, but together. They reach the bus stop. They see the bus driving away. Jake sighs and says, We missed it. Adam sits down on the wet bench. Jake sits right next to him, very close, shoulder to shoulder. Jake says quietly, Hey Adam, I am really sorry about this morning. The milk, the water, the keys, the umbrella, all my fault. Adam looks at him. He smiles slowly and says, Jake, you are the worst roommate I have ever had. Jake looks sad for a moment. Then Adam says, But you are also the best friend I have ever had. Jake looks at Adam. His eyes go a little soft. He punches Adam lightly on the shoulder and says, That is the nicest thing you have ever said to me. Adam laughs and says, Do not get used to it. They both sit together at the bus stop, in the rain, smiling. Because sometimes the worst mornings are the ones you never forget. Now, let us learn 2 words from today's story. Word 1, freezing. The shower was freezing. Freezing means extremely cold, much colder than just cold. The rain this morning was absolutely freezing. Word 2, fault. Jake said it was his fault. Fault means responsibility for something that went wrong. It was my fault. I am sorry. Do not worry, it is not your fault. Now, tell me in the comments, what was your worst morning ever? What went wrong? And who was with you? Right below. Adam and Jake want to know. If this story made you smile, click subscribe right now. Adam and Jake have many more stories for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.